Hello, my name is Sue. Welcome back to my online lecture class. Today we'll be talking about ableism, a topic that not everyone is familiar with or talk much about. What is ableism? It is an assumption that is common in everywhere from school to society that people with disability are by default inferior. Compared to other issues, we tend to ignore this discrimination or think it is not as bad as other forms of discrimination. Okay, first let's talk about some of the mistakes that we're making that consider it's called ableism. Ableist society is one that treats non-disabled individuals as the standard of normal living, which results in public and private services that are built to serve standard people, thereby excluding those with various disabilities. In education and school, the school expects the student to get to class and listen to the teachers attentively, thus exclude the persons with disability. The way to fight multicultural education is by eliminating the stereotypes and biases. Here are 5 of the solutions. Number 1 is disability awareness. When a person with disability comes across, people tend to feel pity toward them instantly and call them inspiration for surviving the society. This is ableism. You're preventing them from treating as individuals. There's always a prejudice against them before they represent you as who they really are. Disability is a part of them, not all they are as a person. Number 2 is educate the teachers. We need to educate the teachers through trainings and provide greater knowledge so that they can better grasp the larger ideas on how to pass on to their students. Number 3 is provide disability literature. Teachers should incorporate books with character and disability into various aspects of the curriculum and books that show positive portrayal of character with disability. And number 4 is equal employment. Instead of hiring actors to act fake and pretending they have disability in movies, we should advocate to hire the people with real disability to represent who they are. Hiring teachers with disability is another best solution to work with students with disability. Number 5 is use a role model in school and media. It is more necessary to find individuals with disability as role model and represent them than inviting activists because they may be able to provide personal experiences. This YouTube video is a great one that identifies daily ableist acts that people do and you can learn through sarcasm. There are a lot of privileges for able-bodied individuals. We forget to appreciate those and are taking them for granted. Remember that they may have disability, but they are not disabled. We all move, just talk and act and think differently like every one of us does. We are all wonderful human beings with different abilities.